This is 10 meter long HLF 250 ohms cable. This is supposed to be a clone of LMR 200. This has PL 259 terminations at both ends. And for connecting the antenna, I used to have this for my antennas earlier till I replaced it with RG213. This is the basic noise level on VU2 MJJ frequency at night. At daytime I will not see this. Similarly, high level of noise on VU2 EDJ frequency as well. That was the VU2 CSR net in progress.
And somewhat passive climate at the moment. V3 and good night. Any further checking, please come in. VU3 SAU.
Noise level is just 2 segments lower after adding the HLF 200 coil. Similar situation on VU2 EDJ repeater also. I'll just for the net, which will be due in a few minutes, and try to hear the net. During daytime, noise level will be hardly anything, and I'll be able to access VU2 EDJ repeater and have comfortable QSOs. But at night, the noise level overrides whatever signal is likely to occur from VU2 EDJ repeater. So I won't be able to hear anything. Even though the coil of HLF 200 cable, that is 10 meter of coil, reduced noise on VU2 EDJ repeater by 2 segments at night, I could not hear the net at 9 PM local time.